once again, both the poem I'll go for revision, and after that, question answers. I'll send the PDF of that one. Dust of Snow. This is the first poem, and second is the Fire and Ice. Both these poems are written by Robert Frost. Dust of Snow. The crow. Actually, in this poem, sometime we don't consider so many things very auspicious. कुछ चीजों को हम ना ज्यादा शुभ नहीं मानते. But the poet is having a different idea in this, and he actually has tried to convey the message that these things even sometime they can cause a great change. छोटी सी भी चीज होती है उसके कारण काफी बड़ा बदलाव आ जाता है. That is expressed in this poem, and the poet wants to convey this message through this poem, that a small change in life can bring a very big change. If you want to change a little bit change, it can bring a very big change in your result and out. Okay. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. Hemlock tree से hemlock tree, it is a poisonous plant होता है, poisonous plant. And the way a crow shook down on me, actually it is a season of snowing, बर्फ पड़ रही थी, and the poet was going through the forest, जंगल से poet जा रहा था, and he was standing under a hemlock tree. एक hemlock tree के नीचे वो खड़ा हुआ था. He was feeling very sad, बहुत ही उदास महसूस कर रहा था, because it was a dull day, it was snowing, the weather was not clear, and he was unable to go for his job. वो अपना काम नहीं कर पा रहा था, because it was snowing, बर्फ पड़ रही थी. That's why he was feeling very unhappy. लेकिन the way a crow shook down on me, a crow came and passed over the tree. उस tree में एक कौवा उड़कर आया and shook down on me, and just he shaken means हिल जाना अपने आप में, shaking the branches of that tree. उसकी जो branches थी, he tried to shake that, and some particles of snow it fell on the poet. Poet के ऊपर कुछ उसके particles जो snow particles थे, dust of snow means particles, dust means particles, छोटे छोटे कण of snow that fell from a hemlock tree. From the hemlock tree it fell on the poet. Poet के ऊपर वो गिर गई. And has given my heart a change of mood. Means this is small event, small action. Means the falling of snow, falling of dust of snow, falling of particles of snow on the poets. Poets के ऊपर थोड़े से वो snow के particles गिरना has given my heart a change of mood. His mood was totally changed, because earlier he was feeling unhappy. वो काफी उदास महसूस कर रहा था, because it was a dull day, क्योंकि dull बिल्कुल नीरस सा दिन था, and he was not feeling happy. But after this action, which was the action of falling of dust of snow, जो dust of snow उसके वे has given my heart a change of mood. मेरे heart मतलब मेरे दिल में एक बदलाव आया, and saved some part of the day I had rued. And he was actually feeling very sorry. Rude means actually repenting, पछतावा महसूस करना over the waste of his time. जो इसका time waste हो रहा था उसके ऊपर पछतावा महसूस कर रहा था. He was feeling, because he was unable to do his duty properly, perform his job properly. He was unable to go outside because it was a very dull day, क्योंकि बहुत ही dull दिन था, and he was not at all happy. But when some particles of snow fell over his body, उसके शरीर पर, over his head, and there was a change of mood. उसके मतलब mood था वो बिल्कुल change हो गया, and saved some part of day. And that's like this he was able to save that part of day. कुछ part उसका बच गया था. Means now he was feeling happy. It means you can also say some our mood depends on the weather. हमारा मूड भी वेदर के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. इफ इट इज ए फाइन वेदर, अगर अच्छा वेदर है, इट मींस वी विल बी हैप्पी. इफ वेदर इज नॉट गुड, वी विल आल्सो फील सैड. We will also feel sad. But here the poet wants to say that we should always try to do our duty, try to do our job sincerely, even without caring for the weather. Weather की care किए बिना, मतलब we should not think so much about the weather conditions and all. If the conditions are tough, we must be tough. Okay, so that is the message given by the poet in this first part of the poem. Now in the next part, actually the fire and ice. Next part is fire and ice. Actually it is also actually in this there are two stanzas, and again it is written by Robert Frost. Actually Robert Frost is a natural poet. He writes about the nature, try to exploit the nature, try to write the all beautiful things or beautifies the nature. And some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice. Some say the world will end in fire. The poet is telling, कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि the world this world will destroy in fire. Fire means here desire. Fire means desire, owning the things, चीजें इकट्ठी करना, means expanding the area and all. The some say the world will end in fire. कुछ कहते हैं कि ये फायर में, फायर मीन्स फायर ऑफ डिजायर, जो हमारी चाहत है उसमें. And some say in ice, but there are some people who are having different views about the destruction of this world. इस दुनिया के विनाश का कुछ लोग दूसरा भी दूसरी व्यू रखते हैं, उनकी दूसरी अपनी धारणा है. And what was that? Some say in ice, कुछ कहते हैं ice. Ice means here hatred. Ice means hatred, नफरत, jealousy. Because of that the world will end in fire. उसके कारण, because of jealousy there may be a war, there may be a chemical war. That's why ice word has been used. Ice means cold. If there is a chemical war, the whole world will freeze to death. पूरा जो world है, it will be freeze to death. बिल्कुल dead हो जाएगा, and it will be freezed. And from what I tasted, but the poet is having another opinion. Poet की अपनी opinion है, उसके अपने विचार. From what I tasted of desire, मैंने जो desire के बारे में taste किया है, पता है. What I know about the desire. Desire means again, it is a fire. It is compared with the fire. इसके साथ fire के साथ attach किया हुआ है. I hold with those who favor fire. The poet is supporter of that one. He is supporting the people who are having the opinion about the destruction of world will be because of fire. जी, ये उनके साथ है जो ये सोचते हैं कि इस दुनिया का अंत फायर के कारण होगा. फायर मीन्स डिजायर, फायर मीन्स डिजायर, बट देयर इज अनदर व्यू आल्सो. बट इफ इट हैड टू पेरिश ट्वाइस, और पोइट कहता अगर सेकंड टाइम इट हैज टू डिस्ट्रॉयड, अगर दूसरी बार इसको डिस्ट्रक्शन होना है, इट हैड टू पेरिश, पेरिश मीन्स डिस्ट्रॉयड, ट्वाइस, दो बार. आई थिंक आई नो इनफ ऑफ इट, और मुझे ये भी पता है कि आई नो, जानता हूँ, इनफ, सफिशिएंट हेट. It means sufficient hate and jealousy is there in the heart of people. लोगों के दिल में बहुत सी jealousy और एक दूसरे के प्रति जो नफरत है वो काफी है. And to say that, और ऐसा कहने के लिए, that for destruction ice is also great. Ice also can play a very important role in the destruction of this world. It means the hatred, nafrat, or the jealousy. This will also play a very important role in the destruction of the world if it has to perish twice. अगर इसको दो बार destroy होना है. And would suffice. Suffice means sufficient, and it will be sufficient, and it will be sufficient. Now you can even this poem, it can be explained in that way. Actually there are two views about the destruction of the world. इस दुनिया के destruction के लिए there are two views. One is the scientific views, एक साइंटिफिक व्यूज है, एंड अनदर वन इज द रिलीजियस व्यूज, और दूसरी रिलीजियस व्यू. रिलीजियस मींस इट इज रिलेटेड टू आवर इमोशंस, फीलिंग, जो हमारी फीलिंग है इमोशंस के साथ है. एंड सेकंड इज द डिजायर. डिजायर मींस इट इज ए डिजायर. फायर, द वर्ल्ड विल एंड इन फायर. फायर मींस डिजायर, ओनिंग द थिंग्स, कलेक्टिंग द थिंग, and keeping the things together, इकट्ठी रखना, spreading the areas and all, try to capture, try to exploit the weaker part of the world. And some say the world will end it. It means this is the scientific view. ये सारी scientific view है. And another one is the hatred ice, or it is hatred. It means it is related with our emotions. हमारे emotions के साथ लगी हुई है. It means this can be said religious view. इसको हम religious भी कह सकते हैं. These views can be religious. But the poet is telling, poet is quoting which opinion? कौन सी opinion poet is option? Which opinion he is holding? Rather, you can say he is quoting. He is quoting the scientific view. He is quoting the scientific view. Those who are having this view that the world will end in fire. World will end in fire. जो fire में end होगा world. He is the supporter of that. But he knew other side also. वो दूसरी side भी जानता है. If it had to perish twice, इसका मतलब अगर if world has to destruct twice, it means it has to destroy twice. अगर उसको दो बार destroy होना है, I think I know enough of it. The poet is telling, I know enough of it is available in the heart of the people. लोगों के दिलों में बहुत सी नफरत भरी हुई है. And to say that for destruction, ice is also great. It means for the destruction of this world second time, ice is also sufficient, great and sufficient. It means ice also can play a very vital role in the destruction of the world. Ice be uske, ice means here hatred, nafrat, jealousy, and all this. And would suffice means sufficient. It will be sufficient also. Okay, it will be sufficient. Okay, Akash sir. Akash sir,